Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. We've got a deal that's hotter than the Spanish sun at siesta time. Have you been to Spain? If not, hold on to your sombreros because this deal is about to blow your socks off. If you have, then you know what's cooking. Paella, tapas, and a whole lot of fun. For just $413, less than the price of a Picasso sketch, or a weekend of eating churros, you can hitch a ride on a magic carpet. Okay, a super comfortable plane, to the land of Flamenco, Real Madrid, and the Sagrada Familia. We're talking about Spain, amigos. Here are the hot details. The travel dates span from November 2023 all the way to April 2024. Now, I don't mean to alarm you, but that's like a lot of sangria time. And lucky you, if you hail from JFK, there are additional flights to Madrid from November to December 2023. That's right, you can gobble turkey one day, and then gobble tapas the next during Thanksgiving. Just note that Santa's not included in this deal. We're excluding Xmas and NYE. This can't miss, won't believe, might faint from the excitement deal can be booked on two fabulous airlines. Aer Lingus and TAP, that's Star Alliance for you plane buffs. Whether you're planning to cha-cha-cha in Seville or strut down Las Ramblas in Barcelona, we've got your back. To make sure you don't miss out on any must-see sites, check out our in-depth and oh-so-entertaining YouTube guide videos. They're hotter than a plate of patatas bravas. So don't be a Don Quixote, tilting at windmills. Seize this deal before it's gone, faster than a bull in Pamplona. Grab your passport, pack your bags, and get ready to say hola to Spain. Vamos, amigos. This is your chance to live La Vida Loca, Spanish style.